This video explores the essential components for starting single-phase AC induction motors, the centrifugal switch, and the start capacitor. We will look at how they work together to ensure a smooth and safe motor start. A motor powered by single-phase alternating current creates a pulsating magnetic field. This action causes the motor to vibrate and hum, making it unable to start naturally. The start capacitor connects to the start winding and shifts the current by 90 degrees. This phase shift creates a rotating magnetic field, providing the motor with a significant torque kick. Starting components are designed for intermittent duty, requiring them to work for less than 3 seconds. Continuous power would rapidly melt the insulation and blow the capacitor. This centrifugal switch protects the motor by acting as a mechanical gatekeeper. It ensures the starting components are disconnected at the precise moment the motor reaches adequate speed. The start system provides an initial intermittent torque kick and is connected via the centrifugal switch. The main system operates continuously, maintains running momentum, and is directly wired to power. Phase 1 is at rest, where the motor is at 0 RPM. Spring tension holds the switch closed, allowing electricity to flow into both the start capacitor and the start winding. Phase 2 is the acceleration phase. The capacitor forces the rotor to spin, accelerating the motor rapidly. The motor reaches 75% to 80% of its rated synchronous speed, generating strong centrifugal force. Phase 3 is the disconnection. The centrifugal force overcomes the springs, causing the weights to fly outward and snap the switch open. The start capacitor loses power instantly. Phase 4 is running at 100% speed. The starting components remain safely disconnected. The motor operates only using its main winding, sustained by momentum for continuous operation. The synchronized system starts with pulsating current entering the system. The capacitor creates a 90-degree rotating kick. The motor reaches 80% speed, the switch snaps open, and the motor runs continuously on the main winding.